Hello everyone! Welcome to the PGL product presentation. We are thrilled to have you join us today. Our team is excited to showcase our latest healthcare innovations and share how our products can make a difference for you. We are confident you will find today's presentation both informative and inspiring. Thank you for being here and let's get started. Ikinagagalak naming ipakilala ang isang makabago at groundbreaking healthcare product na pinagsasama ang pinaka-advanced na science at everyday wellness, ang Gut Pro Life 7 capsules at Gut Pro Life 7 coffee na kung saan ang pag-aalaga sa ating bituka ay napakahalaga. According to the father of modern medicine, Hippocrates, all disease begin in the gut. At ang sabi ni Elie Mitchenikoff, father of probiotics, the majority of diseases begin in the digestive tract when good bacteria are no more able to control bad bacteria. Kaya pag-uusapan natin ngayon ang tungkol sa ating gut o sa ating gut health. Ano ba ang gut? The gastrointestinal tract, or better known as gut, is a series of organs from the mouth to the anus that digest food and absorb nutrients. The gut contains trillions of microorganisms, primarily bacteria, known as the gut microbiome. The beauty of the microbiome, the healthy gut microbiome consists of diverse area of bacteria that aids in digestion, support immunity, and contribute to overall health. Dapat talaga alagaan natin ang ating gut microbiome para hindi tayo magkakasakit at hindi magkaka-cancer. Alam ba ninyo, only 10% of your body is controlled by your cells and DNA, and then other 90% comes from trillions of microbes? At alam ba ninyo that we have a second brain? The gut is sometimes referred to as the second brain due to its connection to the central nervous system. Kaya pala, pag gutom tayo, nag-iiba ang mode natin. Merong mga factors that affects the gut health. Dapat i-maintain natin ang ating healthy gut dahil sila ang pinaka-importante para magkaroon tayo ng magandang kalusugan. But, meron tayong 10 factors that contribute to poor gut health. Ano-ano ang mga ito? Ito ang lack of sleep. Pag ikaw ay kulang sa tulog, maaapektuhan ang iyong gut health. Kung ikaw ay umiinom or nagtitake ng alcohol, maaapektuhan ang iyong gut health. Palagi kang kumakain ng ultra-processed food, o di kaya ikaw ay stress, you are smoking, lack of exercise, low dietary probiotics or prebiotics, meron kang poor gut health, palagi kang nagtitake ng antibiotics, and low diversity of foods, and taking birth controls and other medications, silang lahat ay nakakaapekto sa iyong gut health. Kung apektado na ang iyong gut, ladies and gentlemen, of course, lalabas na ang mga signs of an unhealthy gut. Unang-una, mga gut issues, including IBS or irritable bowel syndrome, bloating, diarrhea, or constipation, o di kaya weight gain and obesity. Ang pagkataba mo o pagkalaki mo, yan, apektado na ang iyong gut. Pag may heartburn, food allergies, food sensitivities, or lactose intolerance, ibig sabihin yan ay ang gut mo ay apektado na. Yeast infection sa mga kababaihan, sugar cravings, skin problems, pimples, acne, o di kaya skin rashes, right? O di kaya bad breath, sleep problems, and chronic fatigue syndrome, or mental health issues like depression and anxiety. Ibig sabihin nun ay apektado na or meron ka ng unhealthy gut. O di kaya autoimmune diseases. Pag meron ka ng autoimmune disease, ibig sabihin meron ka ng unhealthy gut. Of course, pag may problema, meron tayong solusyon sa ating problema. And how to improve our gut health? Unang-una, pag stress ka, you have to reduce your stress. Kung walang exercise, mag-exercise because exercise has been shown to increase gut bacteria and in turn, improve vitamins and mineral absorption. Pero, nag-e-exercise ka ba araw-araw? Okay. Do not take antibiotics or avoid antibiotics. Pero hindi natin ma-avoid and taking of antibiotics because kung magkakasakit tayo, kung may bacterial infection, binibigyan tayo ng antibiotics. In fact, antibiotics are designed only to kill harmful bacteria, but in the process can also hurt good bacteria and alter your gut health. So we have to avoid or limit taking antibiotics. O di kaya, we have to eat diverse foods. Ladies and gentlemen, dapat kumain tayo ng wastong pagkain. O di kaya, take or eat fermented foods kagaya ng kimchi, natto, kefir, yogurt, and sauerkraut. So, those are considered some of the top fermented food sources. Kumakain ka ba nito? Kilala mo ba sila? And I think, pag hindi mo sila kilala, hindi mo rin sila makakain. Okay. On, doctor suggested, reduce artificial sweeteners. Kaya ba nating i-reduce ang mga artificial sweeteners? Kung hindi ka naiinom ng mga soda o di kaya instant juices, pwede mong ma-avoid. Pero, hindi talaga maiiwasan na pwede ka pang uminom ng mga soda, especially in the fast food and everyday living in the city. Ang pinaka-easiest and fastest way para ma-improve ang gut health, of course, to take supplements. Prebiotics and probiotics are natural treatment options for maintaining and restoring our gut health. Ito ang pinaka-easy and the fastest way to improve our gut health. Dapat daw, sabi ng mga expert, we have to have a healthy microbiome. What's needed for a healthy microbiome? Dapat may prebiotics ka, may probiotics ka, at postbiotics. Ano-ano ang mga ito? Itong mga ito ay nasa ating mga produkto. Ano ba ang mga prebiotics? Prebiotics are type of fiber that humans cannot digest but our gut bacteria can. Sila ang mga pagkain ng ating probiotics, ng ating mga beneficial bacteria that present in our gut that helping them thrive and multiply para dadami ang ating mga probiotics. So ano ba yung mga probiotics na sinasabi ko? Probiotics are live microorganisms such as bacteria or yeast that provide health benefits when consumed in adequate amounts. And probiotics introduce live beneficial bacteria into the gut which can help restore or maintain a healthy balance of gut microbiome or gut microbiota para palagi tayong healthy. Marami ng pag-aaral about probiotics na ito'y nakakatulong sa iba't ibang mga sakit. In fact, there are many amazing facts about probiotics. Number one amazing facts about probiotics, meron tayong 400 strains of probiotics live in our bodies. Some of these probiotics are permanent residents and those others are transient. Interestingly, only 20 strains account for 75% of the mass of bacteria that live in our bodies. And numerous scientists also argue that the combined DNA of our probiotic residents are more important to our survival than our own DNA. Number two amazing facts about probiotics. Ang probiotics ay may pag-aaral na ito ay nakakatulong to fight cancer, colds, and constipation. At ang probiotics are responsible for our 70% of our immune response. Ang probiotics din ay pwedeng magka-produce ng antibiotic chemicals sa ating katawan. At ang probiotics easily kill antibiotic-resistant bacteria. At ang mga probiotics will be the 21st century's antibiotics. And probiotics can also decrease lactose intolerance. Ito ay mga pag-aaral na at subok na. At ang ibang doktor ay nagsasabi ding ang probiotics are good for infants. May pag-aaral at may clinical studies na ang mga probiotics ay nakakatulong sa ating mga babies. At isa pa, probiotics are vital for women's health. Both oral probiotics and Dowching supplementation can prevent and cure vaginitis and vaginosis. Alright? So ito'y nakakatulong para sa mga kababaihan. Ngayon naman, pag-uusapan natin kung ano ang postbiotics. Ang postbiotics are the metabolic byproducts of probiotics including compounds like short-chain fatty acids, vitamins, enzymes, organic acids, and peptides. Ang postbiotics contribute to gut health by supporting the intestinal barrier function, modulating the immune system, and exerting anti-inflammatory effects among other benefits. Yon ang kahalagahan ng prebiotics, probiotics, at postbiotics na andyan po sa ating produkto na GutPro Life 7 capsules at GutPro Life 7 coffee. Pag-uusapan naman natin ngayon, ladies and gentlemen, ang ating product lines. Itong GutPro Life 7 capsules at GutPro Life 7 coffee. Ano ba ang mga ingredients ng ating GutPro Life 7 capsules? Meron tayong multi-source of prebiotics, multi-strains of probiotics na merong 40 billion CFU, may phytochemicals added, metabolites, and of course, vitamin C. Ano ba ang mga iba't ibang multi-source na prebiotics na nandyan sa ating produkto? Unang-una, meron tayong fructooligosaccharides or FOS na prebiotics. Sila ang tinatawag na mga short-chain carbohydrates that resist digestion in the human gut, promote the growth of Bifidobacterium and Lactobacilli, which are beneficial probiotic bacteria. Meron din tayong inulin prebiotic. Itong type of soluble dietary fiber found naturally in foods like chicory, onions, and bananas. Acts as prebiotics selectively feeding the growth of gut microbiota. Sila ay mga pagkain ng ating gut microbiota. Another prebiotics na pag-uusapan natin is galacto-oligosaccharides or GOS. Sila ay isang carbohydrates that mimic the structure of human milk oligosaccharides at sila ang tumutulong pag-stimulate ng growth of beneficial bifidobacteria in the intestine. Another prebiotic is resistant starch. Ito ay acts as prebiotic feeding the growth of healthy gut bacteria like Bifidobacterium and Lactobacillus. So lahat itong mga prebiotics ay pagkain ng mga probiotics. Pag-uusapan naman natin ngayon ang multi-strains of probiotics na nandyan sa ating produkto na 40 billion CFU. Unang-una, pag-uusapan natin si Bacillus coagulans. Si Bacillus coagulans ay spore-forming lactic acid-producing bacteria that is highly resistant to harsh conditions like stomach acid and shown to improve symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome or IBS, including abdominal pain, diarrhea, and constipation. It also may also help reduce inflammation and improve daily functioning in rheumatoid arthritis patients. Alam niyo ba na ang Bacillus coagulans ay nakakatulong din sa ating mga tao na may mga pasyente na may mga inflammatory diseases at ito'y nakakatulong sa lactose digestion. It can make it easier to digest lactose, which is great if you're lactose intolerant. So nakakatulong sa lactose intolerance ang Bacillus coagulans. And of course, Bacillus coagulans is a tough probiotic that can survive stomach acid and reach your intestine to support a healthy gut. Another probiotics that we have in our product is Bifidobacterium. Ano ba ang tulong ng Bifidobacterium sa ating katawan? Ito ay tumutulong for better digestion, for stronger immunity system, nutrient absorption, and mental health. There's some interesting research suggesting that bifidobacterium might be good for your mood and mental well-being by connecting the gut and the brain. And it also fights diarrhea. It can also prevent and shorten the duration of diarrhea, and especially if it's caused by antibiotics or infections. At ang bifidobacterium ay tumutulong din to inhibit pathogens, modulate immunity, and produce beneficial metabolites. So ano naman itong metabolites na ito na meron tayo sa ating produkto? Meron tayong beta-glucan. Metabolites are the intermediate or end products of metabolism. Ano ba ang maitutulong ng beta-glucan sa ating katawan? Sila ay tumutulong to help lower our LDL cholesterol, or what we call the bad cholesterol, and total cholesterol levels, thereby reducing the risk of heart disease. At ang beta-glucan may also help regulate your blood sugar levels and enhance immune function. So nakakatulong ang beta-glucan for those who have diabetes. And the FDA has approved health claims for the cholesterol-lowering effects of beta-glucan. Kaya napakatindi ang mga sangkap na meron tayo sa ating Gut Pro Life 7 capsules. At dinagdagan pa natin mga iba't ibang phytochemicals kagaya ng guyabano, moringa, garlic, at oregano. Guyabano contains acetonegens, alkaloids, and phenolic compounds with antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and anti-cancer properties. Ang moringa naman, o ang tinatawag nating malunggay, is very rich in polyphenols, flavonoids, glucosinolates, and that exhibit antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial effects. Ang garlic naman, ladies and gentlemen, ay ang sinasabi nila Russian penicillin, ay nakakatulong din sa ating puso, at ito ay merong antimicrobial and antioxidant properties ang itong sinasabing garlic. At another one, we have oregano, high in phenolic compounds like carvacrol and thymol, which have potent antioxidant, antimicrobial, and anti-inflammatory properties. Kaya matindi ang mga sangkap na meron tayo sa ating Gut Pro Life 7 capsules. And of course, dinagdagan pa natin ng vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, that is essential nutrients with a wide range of health benefits such as antioxidant properties, immune system support, collagen production, cardiovascular benefits, and brain health. Kaya matinding-matindi, napakalakas ng ating mga iba't ibang sangkap na dinagdag natin sa ating Gut Pro Life 7 capsules. Yan po ang ating Gut Pro Life 7 capsules. Ano naman ang mga sangkap na meron tayo sa ating Gut Pro Life 7 coffee? Of course, kung ano ang meron sa Gut Pro Life 7 capsule, meron din sa Gut Pro Life 7 coffee. Ang multi-source of prebiotics na FOS, inulin, galacto-oligosaccharides, and resistant starch ay meron sa ating kape. Multi-strains of probiotics na 40 billion CFU, kagaya ng Bacillus coagulans and bifidobacterium, ay andito din sa ating kape. At dinagdagan natin ng phytochemicals na moringa at chia seeds. At ang metabolite or postbiotic na dinagdag natin sa ating kape, walang iba kundi si glucomannan. At ang ating sweetener na inilagay sa ating kape ay erythritol. Okay, napag-usapan na natin kanina ang mga health benefits ng prebiotics at probiotics na dinagdag sa ating produkto. Ang pag-uusapan na lang natin para malaman ninyo ang health benefits ay ang ating metabolites na dinagdag dito. Walang iba kundi si glucomannan. Ang glucomannan is a soluble dietary fiber derived from the roots of the konjac plant. Ano ito? Highly viscous and absorbs water-forming gel that can help promote feelings of fullness and reduce appetite. Kaya nakakabusog ang ating kape, and this is best for those who want to lose weight. And nakakatulong din siya sa pag-lower ng ating bad cholesterol and total cholesterol levels similar to beta-glucan. And it has also studied for its potential to help manage type 2 diabetes by slowing the absorption of glucose and improving insulin sensitivity. Kaya magaling na magaling itong ating kape para sa ating mga diabetic patients or diabetic na mga kakilala. Nakakatulong tayo sa kanila, ladies and gentlemen. And aside from the prebiotic and probiotics and postbiotics that we have in our coffee, dinagdagan natin ng moringa or kalamunggay na alam natin is very rich in vitamins and minerals at tinatawag nating superfoods. And dinagdagan pa natin ng chia seeds that contains omega-3 fatty acids, polyphenols, and that support health benefits, good for our digestion, and blood sugar regulation. O, di ba? Masarap ang ating kape at healthy pa. Ano ba ang sweetener na dinagdag natin sa ating kape? Meron tayong erythritol. Ang erythritol is a naturally occurring sugar alcohol that has gained popularity because of the following reasons. Low calorie at 0.24 calories per gram, tooth-friendly, at meron siyang antioxidant properties, digestive tolerance, and of course, ito'y suggested and recommended for those mga diabetic persons. Kaya, very safe to use itong ang ating kape na Gut Pro Life 7 Coffee dahil erythritol ang ating sweetener. Okay, by incorporating a diverse array of phytochemicals, rich foods, and supplements, we can harness the synergistic health benefits these plant compounds provide. Okay, yan ang ating produkto, ladies and gentlemen. And I hope you are learning today. Thank you so much for listening. And if you have questions and clarifications about our product, you can chat with us or you can message to our Facebook page. Thank you so much. This is Miss Vel, your product specialist and your marketing head of PGL Global Ventures Incorporated. Thank you and have a good day.